Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
Okay, welcome back. Final stretch of this radio show. Basta Radyo, ibandera mo. 107.1 News FM Olongapo. Hey, hey, hey. All right, and a couple more invites for you guys. And latest news and updates as well from in and around the city. And speaking of in and around the city, this is part of the LGU of Olongapo City's celebration of Art Month. If in case you don't know, the month of February is Art Month. Excuse me. The interpretative dance competition will be happening on February 27, 2026, 11 a.m. at the SM City Olongapo Central Ground Level. Alright? So pwede pa magpa-register ha. Makakahabol pa kayo bukas. Last day of registration is tomorrow. Yung mga dance group, mga talented na dancers. Okay? So there will be two categories. Kailangan school, ano? Yeah, elementary school category and junior and senior high school category. Okay? So yan yung dalawang categories, ano? For this interpretative dance competition. Yung mga dance crew ninyo sa schools, no? Mag-gather na kayo. Last day of registration is tomorrow, February 20, 12 noontime. Hanggang 12 p.m. na lang. Pag lumagpas ng mga 12:01. Wala na. So hanggang bukas na lang ng umaga, ha? So you guys register at the SM City Olongapo Central Ground Level. Doon gaganapin. Pero ang registration, saan nga ba yung registration? Teka, let me check kung nakalagay dito, ano? Nasaan ang registration? Ayan. Oh, okay. For the registration, you can go directly to the City Mayor's office and submit your registration, okay? Oh, ayan ha, malinaw yan ha. Doon ang registration sa City Mayor's office. And eto lang naman yung price ha, para sa first place, both for elementary and junior and senior high school categories, pareho lang, no? Yung pinaka first place winner, grand winner, 10,000 pesos! Wow! Okay. So kung, let's say, 10 yung member, tagwa 1,000 na kayo, sumayaw-sayaw lang eh, di ba? Second place, 7,000 pesos for both. Okay? And ganun din. Third place, third overall, 5,000 pesos for both categories. Yan. Yung mga mahilig sumayaw, di ba? Yung mga batang may talent, alam mo, karamihan sa ano, kasi meron akong anak na 10 years old. Yan, nakikita ko sa kanila yan. Yung mga bata ngayon, speaking of interpretative dance, hindi naman interpretative dance, pero parang sort of. Alam mo yun, yung bigla silang gumagalaw, bigla silang sumasayaw na parang mga robotic, something like that. Ano pala yun? Naintindihan ko na. Yung nilalaro nilang Roblox. Yung movements doon sa Roblox, nung nilalaro, ginagaya nila. Ina-act nila in real life, ginagaya nila yung ano. Kaya akala ko bigla na lang sasayaw, bigla na lang. Yung pala, naka Roblox mode sila. Kaya pag nakita niyo yung mga bata, lalo na yung mga naglalaro ng Roblox, baka isipin niyo na kung napapano, baka naaaning o nasa sapak na. O, hindi po, ano lang yun. Baka kung naglalaro sila ng Roblox, parang niro-roleplay nila yung characters na nila. Kasi sa Roblox may mga movement dun eh, no? Meron pang ang room dun, papasok ka, nagsasayawan, nagdi-disco party, parang hindi kasi ako gano'ng familiar. I don't play Roblox. Yan, pero yun, yeah. Yung mga bata, naisip ko lang, yung mga batang ganyan, yung mga may mga ganyan-ganyan, baka may ano yan, may potential yan na maging magaling sa ganito, interpretative dance. Might as well, pura pa group. Mga nanay na nakikinig ngayon, biglang nagka-idea, no? Yung mga nanay na nakatutok sa anak nila pag pumapasok sa schools, di ba? Marami ako nakikita doon, no? Invite nyo na sila, grupo nyo na. And join. Malay mo, hindi naman ang aim kagad is maging champion, no? The experience, di ba? Malay nyo magtuloy-tuloy, maging dancer na talaga for life. Seryosohin, ano? That would be a good thing. This is part of the Alab Sining, by the way. Yung Alab Sining kasi, it's the month-long celebration of the Art Month of the LGU of Olongapo. Okay, so join now, okay? And speaking of joining, join my idols, yung mga idol ko, yung mga tropa natin. February 21 na, this coming Saturday. The live stand-up comedy night entitled Tawang Grasa. Ayan, to be spearhead by Kuya Gris Hunyo. Kaya taong grasa. Siya kasi si Grease. Si Idol Grease Hunyo. Ayan, okay? So gaganapin to sa The Brick Subic. If you're not familiar with The Brick Subic, it's just somewhere along Magsaysay Drive. Ang exact address ng The Brick Subic, number 6 5th Street, East Tapinak. Yan, okay? So hindi yan yung 5th Street na yung sa kabila, yung malapit dito sa Magsaysay banda. Yan, pahaba kasi yung diretso no? Okay? So again, it's gonna be spearheaded by Kuya Gris Hunyo, Tawang Grasa Live Stand-Up Comedy Night. Kasama rin niya na magpapatawa, magko-comedy night din yung aking mga idol natin na stand-up comedians. Si Kuya Anthony Favors, ayan, si Kuya Mac Navares, also si Trixie Corpez, at saka si Kuya Keen Portasio. Ayan, it's powered by Comic 50 and Zamba Mike. Alright, and the comedy crew na rin. Ayan, okay, so for tickets and inquiries, you may call, text, or DM to confirm your payment. Ang payment kasi ng ticket is via GCash. Ayan, so kontakin nyo si Kuya Mac Navares, 0966-561-1088. Okay? So this Saturday na, remember, ang promo price na 350 ay until Friday na lang. Hanggang bukas na lang yung promo price na 350. Pag tapos na yung promo price, walk-ins and same-day purchase, 450 na po yung original price na ulit. So, avail of the early bird ticket, sayang naman, no? Sayang din yung 100, di ba? Pamasahe rin yun, or pambili ng drinks. Dahil may masasarap na drinks sa The Brick Subic. Okay, you guys check it out. Tawang Grasa, happening this Saturday, Feb 21, with our idols, mga Lodi, sa pagpapatawa, si Kuya Anthony Favors, Mac Navares, Trixie Corpez, Keen Portasio, and of course, to be spearheaded by Kuya Gris Hunyo, Tawang Grasa.